Hello, everybody. Ryan here from Android Coliseum, and it's Google Day. It's time to look at the brand new set of stuff from Google this year. Thanks, Google, for sending it over. I'm a huge Pixel fan, and I do like to give it a shot when I can. So we have the new 10 Pro. All right, this is going to replace my 9 Pro. Now, I will be honest. I've been trying out the OnePlus devices for the past little while, just to sort of, how we say, cleanse the palate, just make sure I know what's between, and really compare and contrast a little bit. So we're gonna stay tuned for that video. But yeah, I'm looking forward. So we got the new 10 Pro with jade green. I'm excited for a new color. Something that's gonna stand out. My wife last year got the pink or pearl or whatever it was called. We have now these are just the regular Pro Buds 2, but they come in a new color now, Moonstone. And then we also have my first of the Pixel Snap accessories, the new wireless charging stand. And I love wireless charging stands. And so what really excites me is the fact that the Snap is not going to be built in. So no longer am I going to have to put these little things on my cases or get cases that have that built in. I can have it built into the phone automatically. That's great. So I'll have a full review and everything up and unboxing. If you have any questions about it, please feel free to ask away. Thanks.